Hey guys, I'm Floyd, this is Steam, together we're Self-Esteem. Welcome to the VanSauna project. Months ago, I didn't think I'd be sitting right here, right now with this. Definitely not. It started out as a silly idea, cheap van, recycled materials, let's slap it together and have some fun. And then perfectionist mindset took over and here we are. I couldn't help myself. Done the best thing I know how, learned heaps of stuff along the way, and we've done our best to keep it cheap and use all recycled materials. And a couple of things we bought, but not much. And I filmed the whole process from start to finish. 24/7 this camera's been rolling, so you can expect a full build series, how-to videos, all the little details on how things came together and came about. And I'm so ready to share this journey with you. So if you like steam, cold plunges, the sweat and tears, and all the energy that it takes to build something cool, might learn something along the way, but at the very least you'll be entertained. So hit subscribe, follow along, fire this thing up, and enjoy the journey. Let's fire this thing up.